To use voice typing on the Samsung A07, first of all you have to open the settings, you have to scroll down and open the general management, and here we can actually find a lot of options that we can set up for the voice typing, which is actually really important. We have to go for keyboard list and default. You have to make sure that you turn on Google voice typing, but also that you have turned on keyboard button on the navigation bar. You can decide on which side you want to get it, on the left or the right side. Let's stay with the left, for example. Now when you click here, you can find some options. I can recommend you to turn off to block offensive words filter, and here you can change the language of your voice typing. In my case, I'm gonna use the default one, but over here, what is really important, you have to know that this voice typing only works when you are online. If you didn't set up offline speech, it will just not working. So I can recommend you to go here and make sure that your language is actually downloaded, like in my case. And then you can also turn on that option for mobile plus Wi-Fi updates, because when you are only connected to the mobile data, then you will never get actually update to your languages pack, because as default it's set only for Wi-Fi. So also make sure that it's downloaded over here, your language. And now when you open the keyboard, you have to just click on this microphone icon in the left bottom corner, and now as you can see, Google will recognize everything that we are gonna say, and it will be visible just like that. If you want to finish, we have to just click backspace like so. And that's how we can actually use voice typing on this device.